This is one of my favorite digital watches, the Casio W735, and it has a cool feature, a vibration alert. Now let's unbox its successor, the Casio W736, which also comes with a vibration alert. This one arrived in a carton box and a tin can, and as a note, packaging may differ depending on the distributor. And here it is, the Casio W736, specifically the 1AV variant. Inside the box, we have the manual book and the warranty card. And here's the watch itself. The case design, buttons, band, and overall build look very similar to the W735, except for the display layout. Now let's briefly check the modes and features, starting with the timekeeping, and then the countdown timer. It allows us to set the length in hours, minutes, and seconds, which is nice. Next, the stopwatch, which includes a split time function. Then the alarm. There's only one, but it does have an hourly signal. And last one, the dual time mode. Now let's check out the backlight. Great! It has a negative illumination effect similar to the W217H. Very cool! And now let's activate the vibration alert. Activating it follows the same steps as the W735. Just press and hold the start button. Comparing the two, the W735 and W736, it feels like the old one was inspired by the DW6900 design, while the new one resembles the DW6600. And here it is on my wrist. Looks great, although with a bit of overhang. I'll be making a detailed review in about a week, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.